crybabies. What adventures have you got planned for today?
Playing hide and seek between the winged houses.
What a great idea! Have you seen how shiny their roofs are?
Yes, that's because the waterfall cascading down the mountain is magic. That's not right, Coney. We just don't know where it comes from. I found something very strange.
What do you mean strange, Nala?
I don't know. I've never seen it before. Shall we go and explore? Look, here it is.
What have you found, Nala?
A stone with a winged heart on it. Oh, cool. What could it be for? It's like in the comic Gigi lent me. It's the sign for a portal to the fantasy world. What? Yes, you have to do this dance.
Look for hearted wings. It won't always be obvious. Clap 3 times. Put your hands on your head, then on your waist. Jump forward, jump back. The more you move, the quicker it will open. And shout, Pyrotastic, Body Fountain, take me to Fantasy Mountain.
It looks like you've discovered the portal to the fantasy world. Have you seen how shiny your pajamas are?
Amazing! Look at your hair, lady. It's shiny too. I absolutely love it. I was right. That's why the roofs of the winged houses are so shiny. It's the magic. Wow, girls! You've already traveled from one world to another. Yeah, we discovered the portal just recently. But who lives here? There's a house. Let's go and find out. These houses are different. And they're shiny. And a chair with wings.
And a bottle with wings.
They belong to whoever lives here.
Maybe they're home. Why don't you knock on the door?
Yeah, good idea.
It looks like nobody's home.
Oh, I wanted to know who this beautiful house belongs to. It's mine. A fantasy. It was true. They really do exist. They say you have magic powers. Can we be friends? Of course. My name is Jassy.
Fantasy Magic Team!
Did you see that? Jassy's fantasy tears opened the house.
Amazing. Are you alone? No, these are my friends. Jenna, Diana, Rosie, Felly, Dreamy, Bruni, and Tina. Hello! Now we can all be friends! Great! A little bit of this. Now mix it with this. Lala, are you coming to play outside?
Hi, Dottie. Hi, Hopi. I think Lala is concentrating very hard.
What's she doing? Is it a new trick? I'm reading the instructions to make slime. What's that? Can you eat it?
Slime is a sticky, fun paste. Isn't that right, Lala?
Can I pick some too? And me?
Why don't you have a competition? Let's see who can make the most beautiful slime. Ready, steady, go!
I'm going to put some glitter in mine. It looks easy, right? Well, I can't do it.
Time's up! Hands in the air! Shall we see who's got the best slime?
Here's my glittery slime.
It's beautiful! Well done, Hopi! What's your slime like, Dottie?
Mine's covered in spots, just like me and Spot. Now it's my turn. Here's my magic slime. Doesn't it look a little bit runny?
Yes, it looks like you haven't mixed the ingredients properly. Did you follow the recipe?
Well, more or less. It might not be the most beautiful, but that's why I'm now going to do a slime juggling trick. Whoa, whoa, oh!
Lala, you don't have to do that. It's a slime contest, not a talent show.
I'm going to fall! Be careful! They've all mixed together! Sorry, I didn't mean to. Now we won't know which was the most beautiful.
It doesn't matter, Coney. Now you've got a bigger one.
So we have. Don't worry about it, Lala. Really? Really? That sure was a good trick. Thanks. Look! There's loads of slime! Wow, it's beautiful!
I think you've all won the slime contest.
Great! Let's see. 8, 9, 10. I'm coming!
Find a good hiding spot, crybabies. Kiki is coming to look for you.
Ha! Found you! How did you see me? I've got great eyesight. Now you know you'll need to find a better hiding place next time. Okay. No! Ha! Got you!
Loretta, if you scream, they'll find you.
But I don't know where it's gone. What's wrong? I've lost my golden bow.
Oh no! They're so hard to get and there aren't many around. Come on, help her look for it. I'm sure you can find it if you all work together.
Where was the last time you saw it? Right here behind this rock. It was my hiding place. There's nothing here. Oh no, it's vanished.
What if you looked somewhere else? Think about all the places you've been.
I crossed the bridge before we started playing hide and seek. Aha! I'm sure it must be there somewhere. I'll look underneath.
Careful, Kiki. Don't fall into the river.
Don't worry, I'm a great... Whoa, whoa! Kiki, it's not swimming time. I saw something at the bottom of the river. It must be my bow. We have to get it out. I'm sorry, Loretta. It was just a stone that looked like a bow. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Why don't you ask your pet friends if they've seen the bow?
Yes! What a good idea. Let's go. Have you seen a golden bow? It's Loretta's, and we don't know where it is.
They say they don't know anything. Why don't you ask them to help?
Yes. Will you help us look for it? found it! Oh, wait! It's a golden dummy! It's beautiful! But we were looking for a bow. Yeah, and Tiggy has found his food. It's golden as well. Wow! I'll never find my bow. It's okay, Loretta. You can keep the golden dummy. Really? It's so cool.
Look! Now you've all got golden bows and dummies.
Amazing! They're beautiful. I love it.
Hello, Nita. What are you doing all alone in the fantasy world?
I wanted to explore this new place because I want to learn.
Learn?
Yes, before I go back to school, I'd like to know more about plants. And I thought there were bound to be lots of incredible things in the fantasy world. Wow, what's this?
It could be a blackberry bush.
Yes, that's right. This is where blackberries grow. How tasty. I'm going to draw it. Hi, Nita. What are you doing? Do you want to play with Tina and Jessie? No, I'm just learning all about nature. What are you doing that for? So I know more when I go back to school. What school?
Nita, it looks like the babies from the fantasy world don't know what going to school is.
But it's so important for learning how to count, read, add, and so much more.
Of course. Why don't you show them what it's like to go to school?
Come on, it's easy. What's 2 plus 7 plus 1? I think it's 10. Correct. Very good. Now it's time for reading. Who would like to read what it says there? Me! That says, the fantasy world is very magical. Perfect. Very good. What's that?
Oh, you heard the bell, Nita. It looks like it's time to go back to the valley.
Oh yes, it's the bell. It's getting late. I have to go. I'm sure they'll be looking for me. Oh no. Okay. Will you come back tomorrow to teach us some more? Of course. Bye. Nita's great, isn't she? Yes, but I'm very sad she has to go. I wish we had a school here. Hi. Are you ready for your second class? Yes. I'm sure we're going to learn loads. Yes, but first, I've brought you something. It's a gift. Wow! A workbook and paints!
With the things Nita has brought you, you can draw anything you like. The cloud slide, the waterfall, or the telescope tower.
Thanks a lot, Nita. You're the best teacher in the world.
Fantasy Magic
Look, a classroom with everything you need to help you learn.
A blackboard and chalk. I love it. Now we'll go to school every day. We're going to learn so many things. That's it. This is going to look great.
Hi, Felly. What beautiful cards. What are they for?
Inviting everyone to my pajama party.
Oh, what fun.
Yes, and they're finished now. So I've got to go and deliver them to the fantasy house and the babies in the valley. Hi, Felly. What are you doing with that box? They're invitations for my pajama party. I'm going to invite everybody. Wow, how cool. Shall I help you? I can deliver the invitations if you like. I'm not doing anything right now. Really? Great. Then I'll have time to get a load of marshmallows and other amazing things ready for the party. Here you are. And don't get distracted. They have to arrive on time so everyone comes to the party. Yes, I'll be quick. See you later. Hi, Connie. I'm here to deliver... What's that amazing smell? This? It's cotton candy. I'm making it for a snack. Do you want some? Yes, please. Wait, I had to do something. I think... I'm not sure. Give me a bit of cotton candy. I'm sure I'll remember. Oh boy, nobody's coming.
Be patient. I'm sure they'll come. The cards were really pretty.
Yes, but it's almost time for it to start. I've had a great time, but now I have to go back to Fantasy Mountain. What's this? I nearly fell over it.
It's the box of invitations for the party, isn't it, Dreamy?
Oops, I think I've ruined it. They were the invitations for Feli's pajama party. You mean they haven't been delivered? Nobody's going to go to the party. We have to do something. Otherwise, Feli is going to be very sad. I think I'm going to tidy everything up and go to bed.
Okay, Feli, but don't worry. I'm sure there's a good reason the others didn't come.
Yeah, but...
Who could that be at this time? Go and open up.
I didn't think you were coming. What happened? Well, I forgot to deliver the invitations. But when I realized, I went and told all the babies in the valley and Fantasy Mountain. That's why nobody got my invitation.
Yes, it looks like Dreamy, Coney, and Lala made a real effort to make sure the pajama party was a success.
You're the best.
Fantasy Magic
Let's get the party started. You can eat anything you like.
So many things! And there's so much ice cream!
Yay!
Morning, crybabies! What are you up to?
We're looking for our pets. We want to play with them, but we don't know where they are.
Just a moment. I might know where they are.
I think they're busy.
Yes, it looks like their gardens are a bit of a mess. Why don't you help them out?
You're right. Flo, Lulu, Spot. We'll take it from here. Yeah, we'll tidy up and look after you all day. Great! Come on, let's tidy everything away so we can play. Yes! I'll sweep over here. It's going to be so clean.
Now it's time for food.
And where is the food? It's all gone! Don't worry, I'll go and get some in my car. I'll fill the pets' bottles with water.
Great, Dottie! done. You're doing a great job.
Yes! We really love our pet friends.
I think they want to play with you.
Now? Wait, I want to have a little rest. And then we'll play. Me too. Doing so many things has made me sleepy. You're always sleepy, lady. I'm starting to feel sleepy too. Me too. What's up?
I think you fell asleep and forgot to play with your pet friends.
Oh no! We did! Sorry! We'll look after you from now on and play with you all the time. Look! Amazing! So much stuff! A swimming pool and swings!
Now you can look after your pets and play with them even better than before.
Great!